Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious kimchi noodle cup. This easy guide will help you assemble a quick and satisfying meal in just a few simple steps. First, gather your essential ingredients like instant noodles, your favorite kimchi, and any fresh additions you desire. Preparing your cup correctly from the start ensures a delightful and convenient experience. We'll cover everything you need to know to create a perfect, flavorful cup every time. Now, let's start layering your cup for maximum flavor and convenience. Begin by placing your instant noodles at the very bottom of a heat-safe container. Next, add a generous amount of kimchi, typically around 1/2 cup, directly over the noodles. Don't forget to sprinkle in any dried vegetables or seasoning packets that came with your instant noodles. This foundational layer is key to a tasty and well-balanced meal. To elevate your kimchi noodle cup, consider adding some fresh ingredients. Sliced green onions, a handful of spinach, or even some shredded carrots can add wonderful texture and nutrition. For a protein boost, a soft boiled egg or a few cooked tofu cubes work perfectly. Finally, carefully pour hot water or broth over all the ingredients, filling your cup almost to the very top. This step brings all the flavors together. You're almost ready to enjoy your delicious creation. Once the hot liquid is added, cover your cup tightly with a lid or plate and let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the noodles to cook and the flavors to meld beautifully. After steeping, give everything a good stir to ensure all ingredients are well combined. Your homemade flavorful kimchi noodle cup is now ready to be savored immediately. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.